we go. That's trap number 1 of many for the 2025 ice fishing season. Hopefully we can get something out of these holes today. If not, still great to be out here on the ice for the first time of the year, so I missed it. So how I have this trap set and how I would probably set all my traps, I had the bait about 5 inches right below the ice. That's how I have it set. We have about 4-5 inches of ice, so there's not much line that has to be out to be able to have the bait right under the ice. So yeah, hopefully get something. Last trap gonna be set up. How deep? Hopefully catch a salmon on it. Okay, Dennison got the first flag of the season. Let's see if there's something on it. Well, it ain't going. Question answer though, we're having a debate over who was gonna get the first flag. Yeah. I told him it was gonna be me. Another one, right there. Got the flag! Flag! So that. I'm gonna skip the set, go over. Thousand. Okay, 2 in the row for Dennison. 0 fish. But, good sign, getting some flags. What we got for breakfast? Gonna cook up some bacon for breakfast.
Bacon, all the bacon. Every single piece of bacon.
So Hunter's saying every single piece of bacon.
Every single piece of bacon. Cook it up.
Probably about, what, 2 pounds of bacon?
Probably almost 3 pounds.
Yeah, 2, maybe 3 pounds of bacon. Gonna cook a bunch of that and then some eggs up for lunch. For lunch, breakfast, but we got some hamburgers for lunch. And eggs and bacon for breakfast.
That was fun.
Oh, and how come you didn't take this? I thought this was a
I grabbed 3 and I went.
I mean, I probably shouldn't advertise it because I like to eat now. Here we go. Yuck. Little something. I got something. Salmon! Salmon! Woo! Heck yeah! First fish of the season for me. It's a nice little salmon. Beautiful. First fish of the year for out of the 3 of us. Nice little salmon. 15!
Very nice,
Yeah.
Dan. Don't keep him out of the water forever.
Beautiful. First fish of the season. Good way to start the season off. Get him back in the water. Beautiful. Woohoo! First one of many. Woo!
Look at current. Yeah, nice
It's
current.
the yellow pooch.
Yeah, what's that sitting way up there in the water column at 20 feet, you know?
Yeah.
18, whatever you were at.
I think I was at 18, yep.
Like about
Finally got one, you ain't gonna believe it.
I finally got my first smell.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Dan. It only took you 16 tries, but you got
Thank
him.
you, thank you. Finally got one.
I tracked you all good except one.
What was wrong with it? Watch this, Dennison.
Yep.
Yep.
Somebody, look at that, there's a big one down there. Oh, freaking Dan's guy?
No, it's following him.
It follows again. Something nice followed up.
Really?
Yeah, right there, bud. Look. Look at the line.
Oh.
Get back down there. Get back down
No,
there.
I got him, Anderson.
Oh, yeah. That, you see how it darts so fast? It's got to be a trout. Get down there.
Dan, I saw that, bud. Dan said he's got one again.
Come on, get up here.
What is it, a smell?
Get him up.
Nah,
We
this
need
not.
that thing, Dan. We need that.
No, yellow perch.
Yeah, we need that on the ice.
Yeah, we do.
Thinking. Oh, yeah, boys.
Okay, he's hooked up. Nice book trout. Oh, fig. I don't know how to get this at him. Oh,
Dan, every fucking time.
Damn it. Nothing's changed. Whole freaking year, nothing's changed. Woo! Well, boys, should I keep the guy? Why not?
Nice, Blake.
Beautiful.
Yeah,
It
beautiful.
is a splake too, yeah. Beautiful.
That was 3, sir.
Maybe it was,
Yeah,
because I said, oh, he pricked it one time, but it was small.
Nice trout right there on the jig pole.
We're keeping that one.
Yeah.
Frying pan right there.
Awesome.
Slapped it again. Little dinky smelt, probably. I got him. I lost him.
But I don't think so. No, no line was taken out. Bait's gone. Hit and run. Hit and run. Good news is we're getting flags, catching fish. That's all we're gonna ask for the first day out here on for the 2025 ice fishing season. It's not even barely even 9 o'clock. Little windy out here. Crap is all buried. So we like to do a trap check if it's a really good day, every hour usually, every 2 hours maybe. If it's a slower day, once every 3 hours. Depends on what we should have going on. But it's always a good idea to check your trap line, because sometimes there'll be no bait on them. And then obviously you won't catch anything if there's no bait on your traps. So someone get him.
He's gonna get him.
Oh yeah.
No, he's off.
No. You have something, don't you?
Oh, I did have him. Dude, he was like
you had
barely
him.
on. What the heck? Get him, Hunter. Get him. He's a nice one. Get him.
I can't do nothing.
I don't know why he didn't get my hook good. Got him. That's you do. He's a
Got
big
him.
one. He's a big one. Get him, Hunter. Get him. Big trout. Whoa,
Get out of my way.
Big trout. Get him up here.
Get the camera, get the camera, get the camera.
Big one.
Big trout.
Don't lose him, Hunter. Let
Get
him
my
go.
cell phone, double click the power button, please.
Let him run, Hunter. He's gotta run.
Look at him on the Garmin fighting.
Don't lose him, Hunter.
How do I get this music off of me? I did it. I got the video.
Check out the Garmin, that's him on the Garmin.
Hunter's hooked up with a big one. And it's a big trout.
Just on the little dinky smelt rod too. Look at him fighting on that Garmin.
He hit me like twice, but I couldn't get the hook set on him. There he is. Look
He
at
is
that.
hooked up on a nice
Look
one.
at that.
Man.
Take it easy, Hunter. Take it easy. That's a big trout. We had him right up to the hole once, and he took off running. This is a big one. Dude.
Get that camera, get the reel in that.
Let's get close. There he is in my Garmin again. He was just there.
Oh yes. It's 5 feet.
Take it easy. I mean, this could be a 4-pounder. He looked like a 4-pounder.
It's a nice.
Good 3-pounder. Good 3-pounder.
That's a nice brook
Maybe
trout.
4. That's a big one. Take it easy out the hole here.
I'll grab him. I think I can grab him.
Don't lose him.
Damn.
Don't lose him. This is a tricky spot. Damn. Come on, Hunter. Come on. Get that head up the hole. Oh, he's gonna take off running.
I knew he would.
This is a big one. There he is.
Wow.
Yeah, baby.
Wow.
What?
Wow.
Awesome.
Wow.
Wow, wow.
Wow, wow, wow.
That is a
On
nice
the jig
brook trout.
rod. Wow, that's a nice one.
That is beautiful.
I gotta go get the measuring board.
That's awesome.
Never seems to fail. I break a record on the jig rod every year. He's still just thrashing. Nice.
Look at that.
What,
18 and a half.
That is a nice, man.
Never seems to fail. I catch a calker on the jig rod. Smelt fishing.
Beautiful.
I call it chasing the fish because Dennison couldn't hook them. And I just put my hook where Dennison's was, 2 feet apart. And he just happened to come back over to mine, see mine, and says, no more Dennison, so I hook onto him.
Awesome.
Look at the camera, buddy.
Trying to. I'm just observing this fish.
It's a beauty.
Okay. So Hunter was just trying to start his snowmobile. And yeah. Broke the pull cord. Yep. I mean, there's ways you can start it without it, right?
Not really.
Maybe not.
Why did that break?
I guess there's always something that has to go wrong. At least one thing on all ice fishing trips. Which kind of stinks. Well,
You didn't bring any tools, did you?
there we go. How you doing? Always the way.
Always something.
Always, yep. Never fails. Okay guys, I just wanted to take a quick second and go over the gear that me and Dennison wear all throughout the winter, whether we're ice fishing or snowmobiling. So the gear we wear, the brand we go with is FXR. And it's not just any FXR coat. This stuff that we get has fast flotation device, which I highly recommend if you're out on the ice as much as I am every weekend and even some days during the week. Fast flotation I recommend, because if you go through the ice and have that on-plan swim, this stuff will keep me afloat. So then I don't have to worry about trying to stay above the water and get out at the same time. I just have to really focus on getting myself out of the water, knowing that this stuff is going to keep me afloat. And yes, it's a little more pricey, but it's just to have that extra mind and safety in the back pocket. Like, okay, if I do ever go through, this stuff will keep me afloat. It's just a relief, but hopefully never have to use it. You definitely recommend getting some FXR fast flotation. And there is other brands out there, I believe, that have fast flotation in their stuff too. So you don't have to go with FSR. I really love FXR. I'll leave a link down below, hopefully to their website, to where you can check their stuff out. With that being said, guys, I just want to let you know, little safety, because sometimes you do go through the ice. I done it once before. I'll leave that video link up there. But yeah, highly recommend. It's awesome, great stuff. It's hooked up. Nice. Yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Nice salmon.
Look at him go. Didn't even notice he was hooked. Didn't even know it.
Yeah.
Hooked beautifully. Look at that.
Come on.
Fire systems.
Beautiful.
Okay.
Awesome.
Not the cleanest release, but be a healthy swimming fish for a while.
Woo!